Have you guys seen one of these? The folding outdoor windscreen. Perfect for your barbecues. I wanted to buy one because I do go camping. The one thing I hate is a bit of wind and your gas burner stovetop, the flames going sideways because of the wind. In that case, you're overusing a lot more gas than what you're supposed to, and it takes a long time to heat up your food or to cook something or boil something. So with this, eliminates that problem. Let's go outside and take a closer look. Okay, here we are outside. This is the bag the windscreen comes in. I'm just opening it up here and getting it out. And I've got the 10 panel one. So I've linked the same one in the description below, so you can see now how long it is. So put it around your barbecue like this, or your stovetop, and it'll eliminate any wind coming in and disturbing your flame direction. So as you can see, I've turned on the flame. It's pretty hard to see, but it is going straight up. There's these pins on the side or on the ends that you can, if you want, you can take it out and put it on the little loop a bit further down, and it'll extend the legs. And this way, if you're putting it on the ground, you can actually put it into the ground so it's more stable. And it folds up very nicely. Very small, like when you fold it up, it's like just one panel, but you know, about an inch thick, and it's very light too. So you put it back in the bag, and it's always there for you. It's got a nice zip cord on it, and that's basically it. So what did you think of the windscreen? Pretty good, right? Well, links will be in the description, so if you need one, and check them out yourselves. That's it for me.